Mike, I am so impressed with what you've built at Tortuga Financial between delivering advice beyond return and your proprietary checklists. You're clearly a very process-oriented firm. So can you tell me a little bit about Tortuga Financial?
Sure, I'd love to. Tortuga Financial is based on our love of sea turtles paired with my passion for scuba diving. As a financial planning firm, we're under the LPL Financial Corporate RIA, and generally we serve the mass affluent and a select group of high net worth clients who are a good fit for our process.
Before Tortuga Financial implemented Wealthbox, what was the experience like managing your customer relationships, perhaps using other tools or technology to help you do that?
Well, it was challenging to say the least. First, we were on Excel spreadsheets. Then we tried Redtail for a couple of years. Redtail worked as a basic CRM, but it was way too time consuming to figure out how to create workflows or use them. One of the other issues we had with Redtail was the lack of a functioning app. The app existed, but it seemed like it wasn't a carbon copy of the web-based product. So it was like learning two different types of tools instead of one.
Yeah, I can see how that might cause some challenge for you and your team and trying to create consistency and maintaining your client relationships. Thinking about the switch from Redtail to now Wealthbox, how did Wealthbox help you address some of the challenges that you were facing in Redtail?
Well, as you know, the beauty of Wealthbox is its familiarity, and it's a complex tool, but it's really simple and easy to use. Right on the top of your Wealthbox dashboard is a publisher. And in that publisher, within seconds, you can add an update, which is just simply a client note. You can add a contact, task, event, or opportunity. Those are things you can document within seconds, where they were way too long in Redtail.
I agree. The publisher saves a lot of advisors a lot of time. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the benefits specifically that your company has seen since implementing Wealthbox. Is there anything you can share with us there, Mike?
Oh yeah, I'd love to share it. When you switch from a difficult CRM to a user-friendly and familiar-looking CRM, all of a sudden, everyone seems to like it. And they seem to be more productive. And our team actually likes using Wealthbox. It's a fun tool. From the tangible rate of return side, this is where we've taken advantage of the Opportunities tab. We've put in different templates for new client pipelines, risk management, 401k or qualified plan business. When those are implemented, that is a direct correlation between rate of return of investing in Wealthbox and using it as an office.
Now, Mike, there are many great facets to Wealthbox, but what's one of your favorite features or functions within the tool?
I would have to say my favorite feature or function in the tool is the API integrations. Specifically with our vendors, FMG Suite, My Rep Chat, Outlook, and the number one is our cloud phone system. With the cloud phone system integration, all of our outgoing and incoming calls to clients, prospects, they're all logged into Wealthbox. And I think that takes your compliance documentation to the next level. It's one of the things that makes me most excited about using Wealthbox. And I feel that that should be the compliance benchmark standard versus typing it in the old way.
Mike, if you cross paths with another advisor who's looking for a CRM, what are some of the key benefits that you would share if they decide to implement Wealthbox?
Well, I would enthusiastically recommend they implement Wealthbox because I'm a Wealthbox advocate and I love running our firm with Wealthbox. They're going to save time. They're going to have happy staff with a tool that's easy to use. They're going to have a high rate of return from their Wealthbox investment.